Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to log out or sign out of your Atomic Wallet application using mobile device. Logging out of Atomic Wallet is super easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Atomic Wallet app from your mobile device, and once you're inside the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More section, you will be able to see a Log Out button at the bottom. Simply tap on Log Out and you will then be redirected to your home screen, which means you have successfully logged out or signed out of Atomic Wallet. To log in again, you will need to enter your password for your Atomic Wallet, so make sure you remember one. And that's how you easily log out of Atomic Wallet in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.